Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new logo design tutorial, and today I'll show you how to make signature logo in Illustrator. That means the vector files, which is very effective for the t-shirt printing and the other paper printing or other stuffs. So at first you have to signature your sign, or you can draw your signature in a notepad or the sketchbook. And after that you can take a photo, or you can use a cam scanner, whatever scanner it is. You can, after that you can take that signature in your PC and go to the file and open up. Suppose it could be the JPEG file and open it up. Suppose this one is your JPEG file, and after that you can trace this one and you can make it vectorized. Selecting this image, after that go to the window and the image trace. If this one is in a tick mark, you will get this window. So we'll see the full process. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So I'm selecting this one, and after getting this window, go to the silhouette options and hit OK. It will take time, and now time to make the corner perfectly and refinedly and highly, like this. When you are done or satisfied, just press the expand options, right press and ungroup. Suppose I'll take this one or this one, which one is perfect or which signature is perfect for you, you can select that. Okay, I'll take this one actually and make group. That means Ctrl or Command G. After that we'll go to the new options, taking another new artboard which is a 2000 pixel, giving the name. Most of the time we forget to give the name of this document, and taking this one into this window. Now we just made it separate and making it in the middle of the artboard. Now we'll use the font over here. So you can use the font like this. Suppose here, go to the text tool and write down something, make the font size bigger, and photography. That's good. You can use the fancy type serif font, like and I'll provide you this font download link in my video description, so don't worry about that. Going to the character options, from here I'll increase the gap between two letters. Photography, that's fine. And where I should place this, actually I can place it in this portion. Okay, but in this area now we are getting the overlapping. That's why we'll go to the shape here and select this area. And now this shape and the signature shape, we will remove that portion from the signature. Press V, select all the things, that means the signature and the shape. Press Shift M, and now press the Alt button and remove that portion. Actually this portion. Okay. Now you can make it a little bit smaller, and it will get the breathing space over here. Right press and create outline. Photography, create outline. Okay, you're getting the logo or name and signature, and you're making the photography over here. So it's vector now. Now save this one in your directory like signature logo and save it out and hit OK. Now you can mock it up. So how to mock it up? You have to find out the mockup from the web. So write down something like logo mockups free PSD. Okay, after that you'll get lots of website, but you have to choose the perfect website where you will get the logo mockup. So it could be the mockup tree or free pick, which is really popular, and you can just filter that things, the PSD files and free options. Otherwise you have to pay to download. Okay, fine. From here we can choose any kind of like a paper type mockup. Actually this one is good for us. Selecting this one and downloading. So after downloading this file, unzip this one and you'll get another folder. From here, this PSD file, open it up with the Photoshop 2021 or whichever version you are using in your computer. So it's opening up in Photoshop. After opening that up, and we'll just select this vector to over there, or you can mock up in your t-shirt, wherever you want. So in this portion you are getting this smart object in Photoshop 2021. We are now, and double click, it will open up in new window. Just turn it off, this one as well, and go to the Illustrator and Ctrl C or Command C. It will copy, and in a Photoshop, Ctrl or Command V, and make it pixel, and like that. So one thing is that again here 3 or 4 options. Smart object, if you select the smart object, it will just taking the smart object from the vector, that means the Illustrator. If you give it the pixel, that means it's like pixelite. So whichever you want or prefer, please do that and hit OK. I'm making it pixels just because of not to more bigger size. And Ctrl or Command S, it will save in this window. We are getting this type of logo actually. So again select the PSD and free, or you can t-shirt mockup. Okay, that's fine. So from here you can download this one. So after downloading that, we are getting the zip file and open it up. This PSD file opening in a Photoshop. And now in this smart object, I'll double press over here, and here actually you can use it. So how to use this type of effect actually? So I'm just taking this one, Ctrl or Command C and Ctrl or Command V, and after that I'll add the gradient like this, or upper side one. So taking the gradient from here, you'll find out lots of gradient like pink or this one, and hit OK. Right press and create clipping mask. And actually you can change, or you can give the color like that, and press Ctrl or Command S. Before that you have to turn off all the stuffs. Okay, you're getting like that. So if you turn off the white portion and then press Ctrl or Command S, and let's see the changes in this portion. Or you can make the gradient change up. Suppose instead of pink you can use other colors like blues. Let's try the blue, or this type of blue. That's fine, and hit OK. And saving in other ways, and you are getting the t-shirt like that. So it could be your t-shirt for your company, or if you have the team of the photography, you can use that t-shirt for event photography, or when you are going to the event actually. So we're getting the full steps how we just getting this one in a vector from the sign pen or from the pen and paper. At first you have to sign your signature to paper, then take a photo and take it in a Illustrator, and then image trace and silhouette. After that you are getting the vector. You can make the photography type like that, and after that you can mock up like this in ambushed paper, and you can mock up in a t-shirt. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. I just made it lengthy intentionally just because of I just tried to give something new and which is really useful to you or helpful to you. That's why I made it a little bit longer. So stay safe, stay at home, keep me in your prayers as well. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.